Hello, welcome back. So, folks, we are back, and then today I want to tell you how you can get the side splitting step by step. So, the first step is to down like this, and then make sure you're going up and down, up and down, up, down. Okay, and you turn to this side. You can also have the same thing in this side. Turn to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it like this. You count up to 5 also, and you can turn to this side also. You can turn up to 5. 1. You can turn 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're here, you can do the puppy stand and stretch yourself a little bit. Go back, come again, go back, come again, and hold it here for some times. So this is it. So please, you have to focus and observe this. Stretch yourself left and right. This one. So you can do this one for some seconds and then hold yourself for some seconds and hold this one for some seconds. You can turn like this also for some seconds and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn to the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it here for some seconds. So let's test everything together.